People, you know, long I've been waiting to see this, pineapple, you know, bloom. You're looking at a pineapple that I plant here now for over 3 years, you know. And this thing is one of the longest pine I ever see take to bloom. And it's finally coming. You know, if you look at the channel, you see me here many times because this is my like little home garden, you know. You see, the pine's finally coming. I have other pine trees there too, but they are not ready yet. But I just wanted to share this moment with you, let you see my pine budding out. Hopefully nobody come mess with it because boy, I tell you, in life, yeah, so remember, you know, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer right here, showing you patience. The pine is finally bearing. Here's another one that's not bearing yet, but patience. Hopefully no one come and mess with it. I'm gonna tell us people, evil people. Them evil bad. Okay? See yard right there, you know. After the winter, I'm gonna plant it back up. But I just gotta let you see it, you know. Nice little papaya sucker coming up. The root as ginger survived the winter. So I go still.